So for 2023 Scat Pack, yo. I don't know if it's brand new or not. I don't know if it's a last call. I'm assuming it is a last call since I'm seeing the color of it. So they gave me the keys to it. They gave us the keys to it and everything. It has 484 miles, so it is brand spanking new. So I'm only bringing bangers to y'all boys, and it is a last call. So 2023 Scat Pack Katana. So yeah, man, y'all basically know all about this car from middle to we did my uncle's Scat Pack. So y'all know, but this one is just a little different. Yes, it has the same horsepower, yes, it has the same tech, but this last call badge, it unlocks everything. So, and because it's the last call, it's the last of the scats. So, and I believe this does not have a limiter. So, in the older scats, you only get the rev into like 4,000. Pretty sure this one you can rev it all the way. So, yeah, man. So we're gonna hop in this thing. Matter of fact, I'm finna close it. I'm gonna give y'all this is a start up. They was just driving and everything. So it is warm. It is warm. So I got the keys, man. We're gonna bone stop, y'all. It's bone stop. So yeah, man. So we finna hop in this thing, man. We probably gonna take it down the street and come back. Yes, it has hardened carding and everything. I'm just gonna turn this thing on, man. So they hit your drive mode. So yes, you got your, of course, your track, sport, custom, auto. So roll this window down. Let y'all hear it, man. I told you. So it does not have a rev limiter. So you see I rev to like 6,000, right? It does not have a rev limiter. So we're gonna take this thing out, y'all. I don't even know. So y'all, I'm just gonna take it like, we're just gonna take it up the road, you feel me? Might just slap in the manual real fast, play with the paddle shifters. Damn. This bitch is fast. We're gonna roll the windows up and pop the sunroof. It's most definitely have Brembos, y'all. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. We're gonna let her go up a little. Ooh, hear them pops. This bitch feels different. Yeah, this bitch feels different from Sav shit. This bitch feels way different from Sav shit. God damn. Damn. Oh, my fingers was in the way, y'all. My fault. We're gonna put it back in auto. Holy fuckery. Holy fuckery. We're gonna turn. Bro, that was just in sport. Well, no, that was in custom. And steering was in street and shit. So we're gonna probably put it in track and see how it does in pack that mode. Yeah, the steering most definitely got tight as fuck. Damn! God damn! Holy motherfuck! God damn! Now I see what Saf be talking about. Damn. Brembos, we goddamn trust. Golly, boy. Alright, y'all. So we finna play with the paddle trippers again. See what this bitch do. Damn, I'm about to drop my phone. I gotta hit the brakes on this bitch. They stopping. Oh yeah, my downshift's on point, y'all. Damn. I got my phone like this. Damn. Shit. I ain't gonna lie though, and track is hard, but I feel like in sport is oh my goodness, y'all. This bitch is something else. Yeah, this bitch is something else, y'all. Well, now I gotta stop. So, yeah, y'all. I'm finna put it, hold on. I wanna put it in, like, in park. I'm finna show y'all there's no rev limiter. No rev limiter in this bitch, bro. And it sounds good stock. Like, it sounds really good stock, bro. So, yeah, man. It's a brand new scatpack Katana. Last call. And I feel like, now in my opinion, the 2018 Scats are still my favorite. I feel like, because what they sound like cats. You know? Let's see if we get some pops. You can hear them a little bit. You can hear them a little bit, y'all. give y'all a little quick little video of the last car, man, because like I said, I am at work doing all this foolery. They probably wondering where I'm at. So they probably wondering like, where the fuck Jason at? Put a few miles. We ain't even do too much though. We only went a few miles, y'all. So yeah, man. It's the brother. Last call. Gonna put everything back how it was. Close to the sunroof. And yeah. Hope y'all guys like this video, man. Like I said, I'm only bringing bangers back to back, y'all. So I catch y'all in another video, man, like this. Hopefully next time y'all see, man, we're gonna drive a Hellcat, man. You see, we drove my last car, scatpack guitar, man. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all the next time. Yeah.